Right, today I'm going to make some gift bags so that I can put some home-baked goodies and deliver to my neighbors as gifts. And I'm using wrapping paper because I didn't have any bags. And you want the kind of paper that has these little markings. I don't know if you can see. They have grid lines like this and that, and they're marked off inch. Each square is an inch. So I'm going to count out 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Actually, I'm going to cut one extra just in case because I want to have enough room to glue. I'll just follow the line. Now, depending on how wide the paper is, let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, well, I got the width I need for the bag around. The height doesn't matter so much. So I'm just going to cut this paper in half. Scissors. So about in the middle. Just to divide it evenly. So it's 15 by 16 pieces. And I have my pieces. It's going to be the bags, and they're made out of wrapping paper. I'm going to move to a more flat surface because I can't work on this bed. This is the spare guest room, and this is where we've been wrapping all of the gifts. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a goodie bag out of wrapping paper. So I plan on giving some yummy treats to my neighbors, and I didn't have any gift bags, so I'm using some wrapping paper to make little bags, and I'll give them a homemade card as well so I can just get to know my neighbors and maybe give them some contact information so that we can keep in touch over Facebook. That way we can sort of keep an eye on each other in the neighborhood, and just to wish them a Merry Christmas. Alright, now we fold this in. I want this seam to be on the inside because I don't want to see that seam on the outside. So we fold that one in first. Alright, and these are going to be glued. So I'm going to tuck that in there. These are going to be glued to that. Well, let me think this through. That'll be the bottom inside. And then these will go down. And then this will go on the top. So we have a nice clean edge on the top. Okay, now that we know how it goes together, I need to put glue somewhere. Okay, these are going to be glued to that. So we need to put glue on this flap that's going in first. The flap that has the seam. Yeah, this is my first time doing this. Well, that bag is the first one I've done. And, you know, they say that necessity is the mother of invention. So you kind of figure things out. When you need something, you just kind of make it. Okay, I'm going to put these here. And I'm turning it this way so I can push everything down. Oh, come on. This one just out of the way for the moment. Make sure it goes in straight. Notice I have this flap on the outside so that that'll be the last one down. Okay? Now, the last one, we will put glue on this. Put the bag all together. And this one I want to make sure it's really close to the edges. Stand the bag up. And just to give a little strength to the bag, I'm going to put a 3x5 card down inside. Because I made the bag 3 inches by 5 inches. Okay. And why is that not glued? Now, I'm going to finish off the top by kind of rolling folding down about an inch. Just so we have a finished top to our bag. Try to get it even before we fold. Gotta be even. I need to put a little bit more glue on this because this is not holding. Probably didn't get enough. Now I just want to reinforce my corners. Same place where I put the fold. Just want to make sure that they're folded good. So I go over each one. Alright, now on the sides, I'm going to bring the two tops together and push it down in the center here. Bring it down to about there. Do that to both sides. Bring the two corners together, sides. Alright. And like this. Just kind of fold it like that, and that helps to finish off so it looks like a paper bag, a collapsible paper bag, and that makes this nice little fold right here. And then it's the perfect size for putting. I put like 6 pieces of fudge wrapped up, and they fit just perfectly in there. And I'll put some cookies and some fudge, and then we'll attach a card and a ribbon, and we'll give it to our neighbors to wish them a Merry Christmas. So there we have it. Gift bags, homemade gift bags with homemade goodies and homemade cards as a gift to our neighbors. That was so easy. Merry Christmas, and don't forget to subscribe for more great ideas.